Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stay.
You get the gist. So in 2.5, I'm going to do 2.5 divided by 3. Pull up your calculator. That's going to give you 0.83333. Yeah? 0.8333. So 0.833, I'm going to drop the loss size to something very easy that I don't have to pull up my calculator to start calculating every time, which is 0.5. So anytime you see my trade, it's always on my chart, it's always 0.5 that I'm starting out with. So from 0.5, now we already divided by 3. So now hence we have 3 risk quadrants. One part, second part, third part. So the first part is we go conservatively. You understand? Conservatively in that we don't want to test we want to test the water with just one leg, yeah? We don't want to go with 10 standard, start doing 2.5 now. We want to just go with 0.5, 0.53, just to test it out. So once we start moving on our favor, maybe when you break a particular strategic level, maybe like psychological level or trend line, then that's when we start getting aggressively. So the second entry, aggressive. The third entry, conservative again. That's how I trade. From on here, this is my first test entry. This is my first quarter entry. If you notice that in 3 portions, always my stack is always in 3 portions. First, conservative. Second, aggressive. Conservative. I'll break down. This first one is just like testing the water on one leg, yeah? This one, aggressive. From here, you notice the loss has become bigger, 1.5. I'm not talking about the strategy, how I got in. Whenever you see weak rejection and you break above my strategic level, you see upon this one closing, I went crazy with it. Here, and this place is 1.5, 1 standard, 2.5, 2.0. So I left it there. Yeah? So as at the time I took this screenshot, the stop was here. And also, be cautious. Everything is calculation. You know everything on my chart, everything is calculated. From here, the profit that this one, all these ones that have given me, will be able to cater for the losses that this one might bring. So it's not out of calculation, it's just, okay, like I'm chilling now, look at these trades that I put up, our analysis, and what do? We still kept on stacking. Now I told my guys who are associated, they're here, yeah? That was Mr. Julian. Yeah, big one. I'm Mr. Samuel. So I told them, it's time, keep stacking. Now you can see it's 2008. So we are getting closer to the goal of today. I want us to do it in your presence. So when, so you don't think, oh, he's just stacking on YouTube, he's so smart. No, this is like. Yeah, so we're about to close the trade right now. And look at this, the entries right here. These are the multiple entries that we had today. And we're still even live. You can see people all around that we did the class together. So let's close out, it's time. So it's currently 4,007 profit and the total amount is 105,000. So it's a real account, check. So XNS real 9. So these are the small accounts. So before I go further, let me also show you the small account I also opened in Ghana here that I said I used to fund my travel. I put $1,000 already. This is my second time trading on this account, so it's already 2,161. That's a real account again, life account, that's my cap. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and start closing out right now. So these I close manually. And before I close further, let me just show you the chart too. So it's stacked right there. So let me just take a screenshot of this one.
So this thing, when you see it on YouTube, you think say...
Yeah, so you do. So these guys were here as I'm filming this one. It's not just, it's not something fake or something. Yeah, it's just skill set. I just have, I do it manually. This is how I close. So it's not editing. Say life. Invalid parameters. Life. So you just sit down and watch the satisfying closing of this account. Like that. This is how we are invested.
Profit. So always close out of here.
So this account from only 1,000 to 2,000.
Yeah, in 2 days. Yes, in 2 tradings. Yeah. So yeah, exactly. You even surpass this one. You just. So this is 2,188. So let me move to the next one. This is the huge account with 100K. And it's loading. It takes time with SNX server sometimes. So They are watching, like, just look around, look at they're still watching. So this is already 5,000 because it's still dipping more. So let me just go ahead and start closing right now. But before I close, let me take a screenshot of what I did. Yeah. Zoom in a lot more. Yeah, so I'll just close that right now. Oh, I closed that once. Like this is how I do it. So maybe I'll have to like employ somebody to help me start.
We need to get to this stage.
Exactly. We get tired of making noise.
We need to get to this stage. It's very important. This one I'm doing my we'll get here.
Exactly. And even surpass it. Always add that pass.
Surpass.
Yeah.
So you never leave your trades to the
Overnight, no. Today is Friday, so that's why I'm closing all of them out. Even if it is weekdays, I still would close it up because I'm a day trader. I don't allow my trade to sleep. So I've got that funded account I'm doing, but today on Friday I didn't just trade on my phone. This is just my personal stuff that I'm doing. Personal stuff, and that's the idea of funded account. Funded account is to fund your own personal account. Once you make profit from the funded personal account, when you have 100% control and over risk and all of that, and that's how you find. So that's how I was able to build up this account.
Where did you start that account from?
This account, 68,000, and in four tradings, it's currently about 105 now. So far this week we have made 20,000. So it's a real account. So 20,000 this week. And just this month now, it's just one pay. Check it out, GPUSD. So you can also see losses. Not that okay, it's just win-win. There are also losses. So for this month now, so okay, 70,000. I've made 35,000. So in fact, I started out with losses. So this one brought me to 68. So technically, I started with 68 with this account. So I lost this much. So from here, I started making the losses to all of GBP and check the loss size consistency. So that's it on this one. And to everyone, so thank you guys. I'm definitely gonna drop this on YouTube too. So
Figure this out. Put your